Alright, now we're going to drill for all the pins on an RPK Romanian barrel. And I dial indicated off our trunnion here and here. With the bulged trunnions, it's a little bit harder to dial indicate and get them square because of the bulge. You won't be able to go on this part as long because it's shorter here and then here. Basically just go here as best you can in here. Sometimes you can have this help you, but these are usually ground crooked and it doesn't help you much. I'm using a eye size drill bit, and then I'm going to ream this hole to 7mm. Make sure you get nice chips. Don't let the drill bit get deflected on the barrel as it's passing through this hole, because you'll start digging into your trunnion. So let the bit cut itself, make sure it's a nice sharp bit, and that's cutting only the barrel. Alright, now that we drilled the hole, we're going to get the reamer out. 7mm for this hole. Always buy the reamers for your barrel pins. It just makes it a lot easier to press in. On the drill press, it's going to be a lot harder to get this hole set up square again, so make sure when you set up your machine, if you can, Make enough room to where you can stick your reamer in while your drill bit's still lined up with the hole. Okay, now the hole's reamed. Another good thing to do is check your headspace again to make sure that the trunnion didn't get slid or the barrel didn't get slid. If you have the proper interference between the barrel and the trunnion, it shouldn't move at all. Alright, so now we're drilling for the rear sight block retainer pin. A 5/32 bit is actually a thousandth under the rear sight block. So another good reason to make sure that your components are tight enough on the barrel is for when you're drilling these holes, you don't want it to move. This sight might be nice and straight when you first put it on there, but when you go to drill these holes, it'll become canted because it's not tight enough. There's a big problem on the new US barrels is this front sight journal is too small and the sight moves when you go to drill it. So I just drilled the gas port hole and now I'm going to put a reamer in it.